And just before we go, let's do a recap of some of the top trending stories in the news.
We start with a developing story that has implications on the last elections of the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA. The Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has voided the amended NBA Constitution. In a judgment delivered by Justice John Soho in the suit brought by legal practitioner Olashukwa Ojo against the incorporated trustees of the NBA, the court held that the amended constitution breached Section 597 and Section 598 of the Companies and Allied Matters Act, especially as it relates to the registration of the amended constitution. He further held that the effect of a non-registration of the constitution was to render it void pursuant to Section 600 of CAMA. The judge also dismissed the plea that the plaintiff lacked local standing to bring the suit, noting that what was an issue was the interpretation of the constitution of an association. The NBA, in reaction to the judgment, has filed a notice of appeal and a stay of the execution of the judgment. Still in Lagos, the Federal High Court has fixed May 1st for ruling on a document tendered by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) against the former Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Adesola Amosu, and 10 others. Air Marshal Amosu is standing trial alongside 2 serving senior Air Force officers, Air Vice Marshal Jacob Bola Adigun and Air Commodore Gbadebo Owodunni Olugbenga, and 7 companies. They are all being tried by the EFCC on an alleged case of conspiracy, stealing, money laundering, concealing of proceeds of crime, and conversion of funds to the tune of 22.8 billion naira allegedly belonging to the Nigerian Air Force. When the case came up on Thursday, the 30th of March, the prosecution counsel, Rotimi Oyedepo, sought to tender the bank documents of one of the defendants identified by Tosun Owobo, a prosecution witness in the case. However, counsel to the first defendant, Bolaji Ayorinde, senior advocate of Nigeria, objected to the admissibility of the document on the grounds that it was not duly certified. And we round up with the report that Justice Mohammed Idris, also of the Federal High Court, has fixed April 12 for the continuation of trial in the case of the EFCC against former Oyo State Governor Rashidi Ladoja. A prosecution witness, Adewale Atonda, told the court that the former governor sent no less than £600,000 to his daughter, Bingbe, in London sometime in 2007, when he held sway as a helmsman of Oyo State. Mr. Atonda, who worked as senior special executive assistant to Ladoja, equally told Justice Idris that the said sum formed part of the 634 million naira which some stockbrokers contributed to the impeachment expenses of the former governor.
And that's the program for today. Please share your views with us on any of the issues we discussed on the program. If you missed any part of the program, you can find it in past episodes on our YouTube channel. I'm Shola Shoyeli. Thank you for watching.